Hey beauties, stylist Carmen Montero, ready to show you guys one of my all-time favorite hairstyles, Hollywood Glam. Now this is something that I did on a lot of my brides when I was a bridal stylist, and it's a hairstyle that I personally really love, so I can't wait to show you guys a step-by-step on how I create Hollywood Glam curls. This is a good hairstyle for formal events such as weddings. This is a hairstyle request I got a lot when I was a bridal stylist. It is very elegant, very timeless. I'm going to use a hairpiece by Here Comes the Bride. Don't forget to check their website out. They have a lot of great bridal hair adornments that look adorable and classic in any hairstyle. If you are a bridal stylist or someone that just wants to achieve these beautiful classic Hollywood Glam curls, I think this is going to be a great step-by-step video on how to do this at home. What I'm going to use in my video is the Babyliss Pro Curling Iron, something I use in a lot of my videos, weightless hairspray, what I'm going to do to start off my elegant, timeless Hollywood Glam curls is create a deep side part. So I kind of already have one going. So I'm just going to take a side part on my right side, make it look pretty straight. Using this teasing comb, it's got these like boar bristles on the end, and that helps really like lay down every little tiny flyaway. And then I'm going to take a hard hold hairspray and just spray right on that section, just to help define that part a little bit more. So I'm going to take a section all the way down the back and then just split that forward. This whole side I'm going to curl forward, this side I'm going to curl towards my face as well. Using my Babyliss Pro Curling Iron, I'm going to take each section and I'm just going to curl on base. I'm going to just take this curl forward, and I want to curl my hair all the way through the ends. You want to let the curls set. So once I've curled that piece, I'm going to take my duckbill clip and then just clip it down, let that cool down. So again, we're going for a very timeless hairstyle, very Hollywood Glam. So we want to pin as we go. We want to let the curls completely cool down after we've used the curling iron. That way when we do pull this out, the curls are completely together, and then we'll brush it out from there. I think that we're gonna get some really nice curls today, and I'm gonna continue curling all the way back. So I just have 2 more curls to do on this side. Then I'm going to pin it and move on to my left side. So when I start curling on this left side, I want all of my curls to go towards my face inward. You also want to make sure to take the same width of hair as the width of your curling iron. So curling on the base, directly up, I'm going to hold that. I'm going to take that curl and pin it. And pin it like this because you're letting the hairstyle set. If you guys are familiar with hairstyling in general, it's always really great to let a hairstyle set completely before you brush it out, before you start to form the style that you want. If I were to curl this hair and then brush it out immediately, I'm going to completely lose that memory. I'm going to lose that curl. It's not going to stay as good. So you're going to curl everything, let it set, go ahead and hairspray all of the hair. Okay, so I started to take out my left side. I've let my curls cool down, so you start taking them out one by one. Let the curl just fall out completely. I kind of like twist it with the direction it was curled in as I am releasing the curl. So that one was forward, so I'm leaving that fall forward, letting that fall forward. My curls are completely taken out of my pins. This is what it should look like. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my boar bristle brush and brush through the curls completely. You want to break up that curl all of the way. So you just start at the top, bring it downward. You want to create this soft after effect. Way that we are going to really make sure that these curls don't come back together is section by section, back comb the top, back comb all the way through. So I've already brushed out this side with my boar bristle brush. Then you take the weightless hairspray, give a few sprays all over, and then I like to take my actual hairspray bottle and define the curls in between. So you just spray and take that, and it helps define that wave, that S wave a little bit more. Once you have brushed out all of the curls, I went ahead and took my right side and I'm taking a bobby pin and just pinning this down. That helps create a more classic Hollywood glam hairstyle. So I'm just pinning this behind my ear. I'm gonna pin it right on this side to complete my look. This is how I created my Hollywood glam curls. I used my Babyliss Pro curling iron, a few hairsprays. You just want to let your curls set and then brush them out. And it creates this soft curl.